Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to NRI Muslimah Mom. Today I'm cooking biryani in instant pot. It's a quick and easy biryani perfect for a weekend lunch. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. We'll need 2.5 cups or 1 pound of basmati rice soaked in water for around 30 minutes, 1.5 pounds of goat meat, 3 medium-sized tomatoes sliced, 2 handfuls of fried onions or Brista, 1 cup of yogurt, 4 to 5 green chilies, half big size lemon, bunch of coriander and mint leaves chopped. In spices we will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoon biryani masala powder. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon. In whole spices we will need 3 cinnamon sticks around 1 inch each, half teaspoon shahzeera or caraway seeds, 3 cardamom pods and 3 cloves. For rice you will need 2.5 teaspoon salt, 2 bay leaves, 2 cardamom pods and half teaspoon caraway seeds. Full list of ingredients are listed in the description box below. You will also need 4 tablespoon of oil, which I forgot to mention here. First plug in the instant pot on saute mode. Add oil. When oil gets hot, add the whole spices, that is cinnamon sticks, caraway seeds, cardamom pods and cloves. Saute for a minute, then add ginger garlic paste. Saute the ginger garlic paste so that the raw smell goes off. Then add the tomatoes. Mix well, cover and cook until the tomatoes become soft. It may take 4 to 5 minutes. Add all the spices including salt and saute well. Then add meat, mix well. And add yogurt. Add mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilli and lemon juice. Mix well. And add 1 cup of water. Close the lid. Turn knob to ceiling. Turn off the saute mode and turn on the meat stew mode for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in another vessel, add 2 to 3 liters of water and the remaining whole spices, that is cardamom pods, bay leaves, caraway seeds and salt. Also add 1 teaspoon of oil to the water. When it comes to boil, drain the soaked rice and add to the water. When the rice cooks 80%, means the grain will still be there when you check it. Drain the rice in a strainer. By then the instant pot timer goes off. Wait for 8 to 9 minutes for natural pressure release. Then turn the knob to venting and release the pressure. Turn off the meat stew mode and turn on the manual mode for 15 minutes. When the meat starts to boil, add fried onions and mix well. These are the ingredients you will need to add on Dum or while layering the rice. Some coriander and mint leaves chopped, half lemon juice, 2 green chilies, 2 to 3 teaspoon ghee, handful of fried onions, 2 pinches of orange food color and half cup or 100 ml of milk. Add half of the rice to the meat, spread it evenly. Then add coriander and mint leaves, green chilies, fried onion and lemon juice. Add another layer of rice. Save a little amount of rice. Add coriander, mint leaves and fried onions. Add the left rice. Add ghee, milk and orange color. Cover the lid and turn knob to ceiling. Turn off manual mode and turn on steam mode for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn knob to venting and open the lid. Biryani is ready. Check the rice grain by pressing it. No grain means it's done. Serve hot with dahi ki chutney or cucumber. Enjoy with friends and family. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye. Allah Hafiz.